Cryptoforexmarket. It's Marlon here. I'm just going to give you another analysis. We're going to be looking at the crypto coins. Everything is down, as you see. Everything is really, really low. It's been like that for quite the past few months. It's been a scary time, I have to admit. But being a trader as myself, this is a good opportunity to buy into the market. However, I'm going to be looking at Bitcoin to start, and then I'll look at a few other coins. But anyway, this is just to let you know it's not my. I'm not a financial advisor. You'd need to seek advice when I'm speaking about doing analysis on these crypto forex coins. I'm going to start with Bitcoin. So please seek financial advice before committing to anything, and just to know that there's a lot of risk in this market. So we're going to look at Bitcoin. I'm going to open the chart. Yeah, so this is a chart that I normally use, which is called Trading View. It gives you a clear picture when you're looking at the markets. So as you could see, I've already drawn my levels here, and we could see where Bitcoin is broken out in the past. You could see that on my previous videos. At this present time, we're sitting at 84,000. It came down to 74,000. However, a lot of people was quite terrified because they probably thought it was going to break around this region through here. Yes, it could have wicked through and come down further, but now potentially I see it continue to go up, which is good news. Previous times it's come to this level here around 60,000, and then it broke through that level, and that was around August, came up and it broke through. This is where we had the crash back in 2022, and then prices gone to the highest level, $109, $108 or 109. As you could see right now, when price was down here, this is my stochastic RSI. You could see every time price was down, it went up, as you could see there. I'll just move this out of the way so you could see. So every time it was low, price went up. Low here, as you can see, price went up, and it was low here, price went up. However, you don't get a specific timing when price will go up, but basically when it's around these areas, whether high or low, you know at some point price is going to reverse. Yeah, so at this present time we could see a green candle forming. I like to use the Heikin Ashi candles because they give you a clear picture of price movement. And if you look at the normal candles, as you could see here, it's not too bad, but I like Heikin Ashi because once it closes a certain color, you know that is gonna stay that color. So right now we can see a green candle right now for this week, and that is really good. So past weeks it's been all red, and around this time there's a lot of panic and fear. But now the Bitcoin indicator that I'm looking at right now is coming out of fear and going to positive. So hopefully this will continue to go up to the upside. We could have another probably downside movement, but I'm hoping that we'll close above this level of 90,000, and then from there I could potentially see this going to at least 100 and I would say 130,000, potentially higher. Once I see this happening on Bitcoin, then I know that the other coins, which is the meme coins, they're going to go up as well. And I'm going to go across to all these other ones as well. If you look at my previous videos, I did say that price possibly can come down to these areas. I did say for all these other coins, price could do the same thing, which it done, which you could look back on my other videos. So as you could see, anytime the candle's green, it continued to go up, as you could see from here. I like to use this in conjunction with this because that shows me what's going on. As well as my EMAs, I like to use the 20, 50 and 200, and sometimes 100 I like to use. So we got the 50 EMA, as you could precisely see here, it's wicked off that 50 EMA, and it's literally bouncing on it. It's been bouncing on it around it for quite a few weeks. Price is over the 200 EMA on a weekly time frame, which is really good. If we go to the monthly time frame, and we could see, Yep, you could look at it. It's tested all these different levels. So last time it broke out at this level here, when we had that crash, it broke out, and it has been testing it for quite a few months. Now it broke out at this level now, and what happens usually when price breaks out a level, you usually retest that level. And right now you could see around this level, this is where the test has been happening. So if you zoom down, then you could see what's happening closer and a closer view. You could see price has bounced and it's creating a green candle. So guys, this is a great buying zone at this present time. So yeah, the thing is, like, if you guys are just like thinking, what should I do? Should I buy? What should I do? Well, anytime price is low, for me, is the best buying opportunity. Anytime price is low, it's quite clear to see that it's low right now. So if you're buying Bitcoin, anywhere around this level is here, even this level where it is right now is a buying time zone. And if price was to come down a bit more, for example, there's a thing called dollar cost average. So if you was to put, for example, £100 here, and then all of a sudden that £100 is turned into £50 by the time it goes here, potentially you could dollar cost average and put another set of money here, like £100, but you know that you're going to get that back and even more as it continues to go up, which I strongly believe in. So if I go to the other coins, for example, ADA is one of my favorite coins. We could see also that ADA has come down to the low point and it's wicking on this 200 EMA, and it's stayed around there for a very, very long time, as you could see, for weeks. We could see we're at a low point here. So, and again, this is another good buying opportunity as well. Simple, straightforward. Anytime price was at a lower point, these are the buys. Anytime it's down here, these are the buys. So this indicator, if you want to look it up, if you wanted to put it in your charts, if you've got TradingView, it's called a UCS SMI indicator. Yeah. So if you want to go in there, this is the name of it, yeah, and it's a really good indicator to put on your charts. So you could do that. If I go to Sui's down at all-time levels as well, as you could see here. It's sitting nicely on my fib, 0.71 fib, and it's bouncing around this area here, as you could see. So last time it was resistance, it broke through, came up, and it's landed exactly around this area here. So this is a good buying zone. Reason why, as I said again, look where it is. Last time it sold off, it was here, and look where it sold off from, right here on this red zone. So yeah, this indicator is amazing. When it was here, it was at the low point, and then price went up. Excuse me, sorry about that. And price went up from here. It's high zone, it came down, low zone, price went up. Yeah, so this is a good buying opportunity here. Dogecoin is the same thing as well. You could see a good buying opportunity around here. So right now, guys, all these coins are buys right now. The things, if you wait too long, if price goes up around here for any of them, for me, you can't make as much profit at all. And the danger thing about it is that if price was to suddenly reverse again and come back down, then you're gonna be in a lot of drawdown, probably around, if it goes here and you used to buy here, you're looking at least 90-80% drawdown, and you don't want that. So guys, again, low level, this is cheap. Literally all these coins are at cheap levels. I'll go into the next one, XLM. That's a really good coin as well. Similar to XRP as well. It's got good transaction speeds as well. You could see it here, it's very low. Good buy zone. It's sitting on my EMA again. All these times it was low, it bought up. I never buy at these zones here, at the high points. I never do that at all. Shiba Inu is the next good coin as well. Again, it's at a low point here, as you could see here. When it was at a low point, the same area here, right here, as you could see it, if you level it up, it bought up all the way up, as you could see here, and then it sold down. So these are the times where you should be buying here. Yeah, great buying opportunities. So if we look at Chainlink again, yeah, if you notice, every single one is at the low point, at the green point. So you know it's a good buy. So guys, it's going out to all of you guys that do not know when to buy. This is the time right now. I believe this is going to be the year where we're going to see the altcoin market blast off. And literally, it could be literally around the corner from now, a couple of weeks, maybe a week, maybe within, I would say, month of May. So why wait around? Why wait until price goes up and then start buying? That doesn't make sense. You buy when it's low, make more profit. As it hits the top here, then you take your profit if you want, or you continue. If it continues to ride up and breaks past this time, you could take some of the bag and leave the rest. But it's just straightforward. Floki Inu, that's another good coin as well. Again, when it was at a high point, it sold off. It's at a low point now. It's time to buy. Simple as that. And we're starting to see a little green come in into this candle here, as you could see, just a tiny little bit of green. So that's telling me that the market, it wants to go up for all the coins. So we got Devi, another good coin as well. Devi for the past few weeks has been testing around this level here. So it's wicked. When you see these wicks, basically what they mean is that price doesn't want to go up, and you got a lot of buyers that is defending this territory here. So eventually price could go up, it could come down a little bit more or go up, but this is a good buying opportunity here. So even if price goes down a bit, you're in good stead. If you was to buy here, then now, as you could see, price went down. So anybody that bought here, they're going to be in significant drawdown. So for me, if I'm buying, I'll be buying here. Going to the next coin here. What I'm doing, I'm just showing all the coins, and every single one is at cheap prices. Literally, this has just gone to the floor again. It's just a no-brainer. But you pick the coins that is suited to you, which you've done your research in, which you like best, and then you'll be alright. But as we look at Solana, you could see that this level was quite a significant level. You can see a lot of buys from here. We're very low at the moment. Look what's happening. We've got a solid green candle waiting to close later on today, and that's telling me that the market's getting ready. So 2025, I believe, is going to be the year to see these markets rocket. So you've got Pepe as well. That's another famous one. At a low point again, getting ready to go up. So as I said, all these coins are just getting ready to blast up. My favorite coins, just to let you know, is Cardano, XRP, which I don't think I touched this one, but yeah, this is a low point as well, and it's just been hanging around this level here. So anywhere around here now is a time for every single coin to be buying. Not just to say that, oh, when should I buy? Is it now? Is it next week? Buy now. If the price was to come down a little bit more, it doesn't matter. You could chuck a little bit more money in, whether it's £50, whatever you could afford. Yeah, this is the time, and it's going to be a good investment for anybody that's in the market now. So Bitcoin is the leader. Once I see Bitcoin going up, then everything else should go up. But looking at the total market recap, the total market, basically that tells you about all the cryptos where they're at the moment. So the total market, crypto market, is sitting around 953. And this means that every time it's bounced around this level, as you can see here, it hasn't broken this level. It's broken it once, and then it came up, retested it, but it hasn't broken it again. It's sitting above my 200 EMA as well. It hasn't broken it. Obviously, if it was to break it, then it's going to continue dropping further, but this is a good level. So the Cryptoforexmarket, the crypto market is just getting ready now. It's just preparing. I wouldn't even worry about the news and high tariffs, what Trump has said and whatever. It's just everything's being priced in, and they just want to get out the retailers before the price goes up. So guys, just hold tight. Patience is the key. Once this market's ready to rocket, then that's it. Those of you that get in late, then it's quite dangerous. So this is a good safe, I would say for me, it's a good safe time to buy in, because if the market was to drop a bit more, it doesn't matter. I would just buy in from here. So yeah, I've nothing more to say about this market. So for you guys, this is the time right now. So don't waste your time. So if you guys can subscribe, that will help me with the YouTube algorithm. Please, everything that I've said here, get your financial advice. This is what I only see in the market. I'm not telling anybody to buy right now. This is what I would do. You do your own research. I'm just saying that this is a great market to buy right now. Absolutely bargain prices. But yeah, this indicator, as I said again, is a gem. Overall, just makes it straightforward. As you could see, very straightforward. So yeah, guys, Bitcoin, as I said again, is just getting ready to blast off. So what are you waiting for? This is the time. Get your financial advice, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.